Hello, this is Steve, Dichroic Glassman. Boy, do I have a fun project. Or a new campaign. It's going to be both for me, and I'm hoping to entice you. There's a lot of people catching on to this dichroic glass ornament. Well, we'll call it an orb or a vessel. Let's call them vessels. There's many kinds of vessels out there that you can get at craft stores and such. This is a lid that screws on and off. Same with this. Some stuff comes with fashion tops, stoppers, and all kinds of cool things. Corks and what have you. Even the old traditional, some fun stuff. Well, what's the point of it all? Even the small stuff. And smaller for necklaces. Well, some people on Instagram have taken the notion of putting broken glass chips in a vessel. Well, nothing new there. That's been done a long time. But there's not a lot of people that know where to get the dichroic glass. And this is where I come into the equation. I have the dichroic glass. So anyway, well, let's sort this out. Here we have a vessel with no cork on it. Slow motion glycerin, something you can get readily. Vegetable grade glycerin as your solution to float the glass in. Now what I did in this, which is beautiful in the sun, is I'm using glass shards, and some dichroic glass that I'm selling by the pound. Well, with enough of this to give you any idea how much that is, that's a lot of glass for 1 pound. And there's no waste. There's no dust. There's no large pieces. It's all been carefully graded, sorted in a size that makes it workable, turnkey. So let's explore what we could do with this pound. Well, I mixed these up in different configurations. I used 1.8 ounces of dichroic glass in this vessel. It takes 7 ounces to this vessel. 1.5. I think you get the point that depending on which vessel you use per pound will dictate what your configuration is. You could get this and all these out of 1 pound, if that's the way you saw it. Or 1 of these and 2 of those and 3 of these, and you get the idea. But with this glass that's already been sorted and called for you, turnkey operation, you will be able to do amazing things with your vessels and some glass. I'll also be putting an amount of glass with each pound on my Etsy that is available even right now as we speak. However, it will be enhanced with this glass and a couple other things. So the first pound per sale is already on my Etsy. I am also looking, as the second part of this conversation, this video, for developers. I already have a whole product line ready to go, and I do not want to introduce it without the opportunity of a GoFundMe, because this could potentially go viral, what I'm going to be introducing. It's not just glass in a vessel. It's about the languaging that is going to come associated with it. And I'm looking for developers. I have the dichroic glass to do a lot of these. I could even get it in color. Cyan. I'm being goofy. Bud for the mind. Especially if you have synesthesia like I do. It's sensory. It's all about energy. But there's a lot of potential here, and I would like to talk to people who would like to develop this line with me. My present health circumstance doesn't allow me to really dig into things like I used to in the past. My body's been compromised through open heart surgery and others, things, factors. So this is my time, my platform to say I have an idea and I would like to take it to a professional level and with help. And so I am looking for people that would want to contact me under the umbrella of business, not anything else, but business. I've already developed this line in a staggering direction, and I would like to start a GoFundMe because of what it represents. So I'm looking for somebody with expertise in GoFundMe with the potential that this idea, this notion, could even go viral. I'm looking for somebody who knows those dynamics. And once we meet, we can talk in a way that we can make sense out of what I just said. I would like to put the call out there that I'm looking for developers. And that would mean for the website and the languaging that I already have, and a developer who would like to create this product line and perhaps help me do that, whereas I supply this, you supply that, you know. Let's talk if this is something of interest to you. I can't really tell you the people on Instagram making these. That would be pretty unethical for me to do, since I sell the Dichro indiscriminately to these people, and I wouldn't want to. But I do have it on my Etsy, beginning the process. Contact me. I think you might be glad that you did if this is something that resonates with you. Incredibly beautiful in the light. Bye-bye.